Hello everyone, it's Emil from Lancaster Automart. I hope you're all doing real well. It's 2011 Flash Blue Metallic Vauxhall Corsa. It's a VXR, it's got 89,205 miles and it's a petrol manual. It's 1.6 litre, really lovely car considering its age and mileage. It's got the 17-inch wide 5-spoke design alloy wheels in the grey. Really lovely condition on all 4 alloys. We'll post the alloys on the Auto Trader page. It's got the yellow brake calipers as well, which stand out. Halogen headlights. It's got a really good service history as well overall, which I'll show you in a second. Tinted rear windows. It's got a rear spoiler as well. I'll just show you service history. So it's had a service at 6,000, 23,000, 38,000 and 55,000, and another one at 74,000. Its next service will be done by Volkswagen main dealer that we're joint to just over there. So really good overall service history. I'll just show you inside. Inside the vehicle, it's got the electronic adjustable windows, electronic adjustable door mirrors, storage compartment, Recaro seats, really good condition considering its age. It's got the headlight features just there, 2 keys, a multifunction steering wheel with features such as volume button, and there's also all different configurations there. We've got wiper indicator and the headlight indicator. It's got 89,205 miles on the clock. Stereo center console includes AM and FM. There's also auxiliary, which is available. Down here at the bottom is the climate control, all different configurations. Auxiliary, 12-volt plug socket, 2 cup holders, is a 6-gear knob, mechanical parking brake, and a cup holder just there at the back. Sounds absolutely amazing as well. Just show you the back as well. It's got the ice week preparation seats, really good condition all the way around on the seats, plenty of leg space considering the size of the car. But yeah, really lovely car. Just show you the back. Just regarding the boot, really well looked after. The Vauxhall's done a good job cleaning the vehicle, although the vehicle did come in a very good condition. There is also extra storage underneath there, but overall really lovely car. Plenty of boot space to put all your bits and bobs, but you certainly wouldn't be using it for the boot space anyway on this car. There you go. If you do need any more further information or pictures of the vehicle or information about your own part exchange or finance the vehicle, just give us a call or send us a message. Cheers guys.